Sometimes you hit an ice spot. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It's so funny, it's so hot down here, but up top it's freezing cold. Oh, almost died. What's up, Team Buckhouse? Welcome to January. This is the weirdest spring ever. It has snowed so much. Like, I don't know where this sunny, amazing sun of Colorado has been, but it hasn't been hanging around this springtime. Not complaining, just saying we got winter conditions. It looks a little firm. Well, hopefully the fresh snow that they got at Copper mixed in with the old snow. Yesterday I was moving my house all day, so I didn't get to come out and rip any of the fresh POW. But I think we gotta see some. Maybe we'll get into some POW, some sprays. Only like 3 inches or so. But yeah, I don't know. We're gonna ride Copper though until it closes, and then once Copper closes, we'll be riding a lot of Breck. And then once Breck closes, we'll be like Breck and A Basin, bouncing back and forth. And today filming is Bryce. He's back at it. Here we go. And I'm so bummed they're building a new section for Peace Park. It looks incredible, and that's what I was hoping to ride today. But they're not done building it, so we gotta wait another day. But hopefully there's a huge pole jam, down bar, down donkey, dude, it looks so sick. So hopefully they get this park open. Right, enough talking. You guys came for snowboarding. Let's snowboard. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Alright guys, so we're gonna go look for some POW. And I have this thing where I always say, let the day dictate what you do. So like, obviously I'd like to come rip some park, but then I came out here and I'm like, it's not a very sick park day. And there's fresh snow. So I'm gonna go do some turns. Let's get in some trees, see what it's like, and then we can always go back to the park. So if you come snowboarding and you had an idea what you wanted to do, but then the day tells you to go do something else, go do it. Leftovers are great. So all the snow fell yesterday, so to be able to find snow this good the next day still in the springtime, dude, I'll take it any day. You know what else I'll take any day? Today, sticker shout out. We got Riding Waves New York or NY with the black sticker on the snowboard, looking so sick, man. As well as we got David with the white sticker on the snowboard, looking insane. Guys, if you want an Evolution sticker, or any of our merch, the hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, they're all linked in the description. If you do snag any of the merch, make sure you guys tag me on my Instagram so I can give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. But also follow my Instagram for bonus extra content. I post like obviously stuff in the feed, but my stories are where all the goofy fun stuff are at. So check out my Instagram, follow it for bonus extra content. And I forgot to mention it, we did hit 20,000 followers on Instagram. Like, I started the season with 7,000. I was not expecting to hit 20 at all. We hit 20. I just wanted to hit 10 so I could get swipe up. And it's so sick. I literally swipe up everything. I love swipe up. But once again, if you do snag in the merch, it supports the channel. It allows me to do things like get a home for my family, which is incredible. If you missed the house tour video, it's right there. We got a home. We now have a 3-bedroom, technically 4-bedroom house that we live in with the garage, a studio for the YouTube channel. It's so sick, guys. And I can't say thank you enough for that love and support. I spent all day yesterday moving, so I am a little physically tired from like lifting couches and beds and boxes, and dude, moving is the worst. Comment down below, how much do you love moving on a scale of 1 to 10? right, enough talking. We got a little bit of trees left, and then we're gonna be on the groomer. I think I'm gonna come back and hit this tree run. I got like untouched for a hot second. That was sick. All right, here we go. Sometimes you hit an ice spot. Tree riding was sick. We found some good snow. Back to the park. My body's all warmed up now. I should feel a little loosey-goosey in there. A little bit of super pipe. Oh, almost died. We're done. We're done here. I don't like pipe. That is by far the scariest thing on the mountain. My feet are numb. Can't feel my toes. Ah! Mainly my lead foot. But it's hard to snowboard if you can't feel your feet. You need those. Just unstrap for a second. Here we go. Alright guys, so this is Phineas, and he rips on a snowboard. Let's get some clips of him real quick.
Hey, I'm nervous.
Alright, there we go. So Bryce reminded me, because he's kind of been riding a little slow, saying he hasn't waxed his board in a while, and the guy's like, waxing your snowboard is important. He was like, dude, I just got to use that code BUCK20 at pearlwax.com if you need snowboard wax, especially springtime wax, because this snow is more grabby, it's more dirty because it melts down and the dirt all kind of collects together. That's why it's brown. If you get the warm weather wax and the graphite wax, it will help you snowboard like normal in the slow, nasty, slushy snow. So especially if you're gonna be ripping a base in late season, Pearl Wax, $1.20, get yourself some wax. They are a sponsor of mine. So if you do support them, which is a locally owned female company, you support me as well. So let's go. This one's Chipmunk, by the way.
Chipmunk?
Yeah, I gotta go shopping for the new house. We gotta get some stuff. Alright guys, that was Chipmunk. Good mellow day on the mountain. You had fun? I had fun. Smash a like if you had fun. As always, big shout out to Bryce, aka Pork Chop. That's your Instagram handle, right?
Instagram, yeah.
You got there or
YouTube,
something?
all that.
Hey, appreciate you coming and filming once again. We'll see Bryce again. He's going on a trip, but he'll show up in a couple days. And Pat filling in for Benton because he got broke off, and Michael's on a vacation. And but I don't think we could have asked for a better flat light mixed snow. Like, it's starting to slush up a little bit, but like, it was snowing today. We had snow from yesterday. I think we crushed today. Some pow turns, and then some park riding, some mellow park riding. We're saving ourselves for this weekend. Maybe, if I can get a filmer, go for the back 10. Oh man. Jump 2 in the line right now. It's technically used to be jump 3. Start hitting that, start spinning that. Huck the back 10. Could be insane. You know what else is insane though? How many of you guys have signed up for snowboard camp? I'm so stoked. It is filling up. Every week is starting to fill up. So if you guys want to come to snowboard camp, make sure you pull the trigger, you do it. Sign up for camp because the signups are actually about to go away. There is a certain date that I got to cut it off so I can like get the Airbnbs, get the right van, all that stuff. So that I need the numbers to be locked in. So sign up for camp if you want to go to camp. It's gonna be a sick time. Mount Hood, Timberline Ski Resort at Mount Hood. Summer snowboarding, June 3rd through the 12th, and then the 13th through the 19th. Those are the 2 different weeks that you can sign up for. And yeah, if you're an adult, so 30, 40, 50, 20 years old, come to camp. It's gonna be sick. Even if you're 18, you just can't be under the age of 18 to come to snowboard camp. And did I mention, it's all inclusive. I'm gonna feed you the whole time you're there. Like, come on, I'm a great cook. It's always a bummer to end the day of snowboarding to go run errands, like get new toilet brushes and plungers for the bathroom. Still sick that we got a house, and I mean, it is sick to go get stuff for the new place. That's always fun. But it's more fun to keep snowboarding. But with that being said, I don't know if I have anything else to say, guys. So thank you so much for coming out and ripping with me today. The end of the season's so fun. I love the comments that are like, how are you still snowboarding? Like, dude, Colorado's season goes this late every year. And I'm excited to show you guys how late into the season that you can snowboard, and like how you can snowboard year round. I'm really excited to show you guys this stuff. So if you're new to the channel, 1, subscribe so I can show you how to do this. But 2, if you've been watching the channel, keep watching. I know a ton of you guys aren't even thinking about snowboarding, or your season's done, so you're not watching snowboard content. I understand that, but I will also be making some mountain bike videos, hopefully some wakeboard videos. We'll see. I have a daughter on the way. Content is still gonna come out daily. I just don't know exactly what it's gonna be. But with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody, I ain't ever gonna need nobody, no.
You kidding me? That was like the best turn of the season.